Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your Instagram's profile picture. So let's get started. First, open Instagram on your mobile device. After opening your Instagram, you'll see many options at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Edit Profile. Then tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. If you want to import your profile picture from your Facebook, you can simply tap on Import from Facebook, but in my case, I want my new profile picture from my gallery. So I'll simply go ahead and tap on New Profile Picture. Then, after selecting my new profile picture, I can simply zoom in and zoom out to edit. After you're done, I can simply tap on Next. Then after a few moments, Instagram will update your new profile picture. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.